How to fix Windows cannot be connected to the printer error. Hi everybody, if you're having this issue, you may follow up this method in order to fix it. So first of all, you need to head over to your registry editor and run it as administrator, give access. And once you run it as administrator, you may head over to HK local machine, drop it down, look out for system, drop down that as well. And from here, look out for current control set and drop it down. And from current control set, you may head over to control and drop it down. And from here, you may scroll down until you reach over to print section, this one right here. Now, once you are here, right click on it, look out for new, and we're going to create a D-word32 value, and you're going to name it REC AUTH and label privacy enabled. So just go ahead and type in that. And enabled. After that, hit enter, double click on it to open it up, and you're going to make the value data 0 and click on OK. Now that this is done, you may close this up, and now you may head over and search for services in the search and run it as administrator. And what you can do is you can just go ahead and select P and look out for this print spooler. Back click on it, stop it, and once it stops, you can close this up. And you may head over to your connected printer on your device. If you find it here, and once you try to connect it, it will automatically update a driver and the issue should be fixed. So this is the method you can apply up if you would like to fix the error. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.